Let's look at the file manager, which is Asset Explorer. And when you click it, you open up, this is basically the cloud drive where you have your files stored. So it will open up to this root folder here. And right now I'm logged into the Carcassonne game here. So I have Carcassonne, I have general assets here, I have my tutorial assets in one folder, and I have created folders for each of this stuff here. So I have my 3D models, audio, backgrounds, everything neatly under these folders, just to make sure that when somebody else, for example, needs to find something within this content, I've organized everything accordingly. In this asset manager, you can always type um, um, like a keyword to filter out what you see here. For example, in the, I think it's in the tiles folder actually. I should have quite a bit of Carcassonne tiles. So if I know a name of a tile that I'm searching specifically, I can just filter them out and then find them quickly. For example, okay, show me everything that has a city on it. Here is an upload button. Click this and you can select the files to upload. You can also just drag and drop them into this view and they are put into this folder. This creates a new folder. Just put the folder name here, create folder, and delete file. Then which file types is it showing? So not right now, for example, no audio files here. Obviously my audio files are in the audio folders. Here we should have a good list of them. As you can see, everything is named according to my step name. So for example, my setup steps are ST, starting from 01 and going to ST24. So 24 steps in the setup. When you select a file, it will open up this inspector showing you the details of it. And this is also where you select the file. Right now, select doesn't do anything because I'm not putting the file anywhere. But for example, let's zoom in here and let's say I want to now add voiceover to my intro 4 file. I would click here, then I would navigate where's my intro 04 MP3 and then click select. And now it's selected.
Only those who make the most judicious placements.
Now it's placed to that step. And final note, this asset manager is a pretty old tool plugin that we used to build this. There will be a totally new plugin soon, which allows a lot more features. For example, now there is no ability to select multiple files. It doesn't even show thumbnails or any icons for these images here. Oh, sorry, sound files here. Images you will see. They have the graphics is showing as the thumbnail. And you can't drag and drop things into, so I can't, for example, if I had a folder here, let me just do a quick folder, literally I can't drop this in. There's no drag and drop function. So there will be a major overhaul to the asset explorer. But now that you create your folders and upload files, just make sure that they go into the right place. You can by double clicking the name, you can rename the files at least. So it's a bit of a grassroots asset manager right now, but it does what it needs to and allows you to upload the files that you then need to create all the objects and other elements in Dized.